Hey guys, it is Random Crap Cow. We are back with another video, and today it is 6:07 in the morning, Saturday morning, and now we are doing funnel cakes with powder. But my mom's gonna demonstrate first, since she told me a couple things that I needed and that was wrong, kinda. Mom, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, that's my wonderful mommy, and this is my big bro, no. Yeah, Noah. Great kids. He stay in school very much. But we do funnel cake today. As this episode of cooking Cooking with Calvin. Yes, beautiful episode.
You got edited that intro right there.
Now we're gonna make these wonderful babies right here. We're gonna make these. I'm gonna make one with coffee. Noah's gonna make one of what he wants, and then if she wants, she can make one.
I don't want one.
Okay, well then I get another one. Me right over here. Beautiful me. So I got my first one, and Noah has his. He put all like custard. I put Lexington Market and pineapple. So that's gonna be interesting.
I bubble gum.
Oh, you put in bubble gum? Okay. Well, my mom's ready to do the funnel cake over there. We're just gonna stuff. You big boy struggling, bro. Oh, God. The concentration is real. Okay, but now, since one is broken, I actually have to like make sure all the tops are on tight, like every single one. I gotta flip it over. I will be wiping that up later, Mom. Don't look at me like that. And now I can pour my beautiful coffee. Could you hold this, sir? Thank you. Oh God, oh absolute God, oh holy heaven. Jesus Christ. That's a lot of damage.
Okay, just wipe it out. Come on. We gotta do this stuff.
How do we...
Just press the stop.
You gotta hit and go around.
Wow. That looks like a lot of little itty bitty pieces.
So you have to fast it cook because your oil is hot.
Yeah.
Flip it.
Dang.
Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it.
So when you have your oil really hot, it's gonna work like beautiful magic, which I'm loving right now. Check that big piece. So how would you know if it's done?
Stick your fork in it. See that? That's not done.
Okay. I just want that big, crispy, juicy piece right there. Oh, and now let's talk about our shout-outs. So now it's time for shout-outs before we finish the video, blah, blah, blah. Noah?
Shout out Fallon.
Shout out to Fallon. And then for the idea of this video, shout out to Justice. Bam. Done. Yeah.
Is that the recording?
That's some crispy stuff, Mama.
Yeah. Get a plate.
Oh, we getting plates now. Okay. We getting the glutes. Gotta get in the glutes. Still doesn't look ready.
No, it is. Let me get a clean fork.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me start with one of these.
Okay, so now we
Okay,
have to
get
get
another plate because you know that's going out.
It's melting pretty quick, bro. Oh, jeez. There we go. Now we're gonna get our sugar, because you're supposed to put sugar on these things for some apparent reason.
Because that's what makes funnel cake.
And now, ooh, don't be boy.
Get another plate.
Aye. Okay. Now we have sugar. We get sugar. We get big boy scoop. Now we're going to come over here.
That's it.
Just get the bits, please. Okay. No, did you grab that, sir? Thank you, sir.
Oh, it
Oh
burned.
my gosh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Okay. What do you want to do? No, I think I'm gonna do one. But yeah, guys. First, Noah is gonna have to put the sugar on the thingamajiggy.
Difficulties.
Noah's.
burned through. Okay.
So, who wants to do the honors of putting the sugar?
No.
Okay.
Here you go, brother.
Alright, just sprinkle on there.
Yeah.
Yep. So if you guys have pancake batter at home, you can do this easy with vegetable oil, pancake batter, and sugar. No, I'm gonna assist you on this. I'm gonna assist you a lot. We're just gonna. Oh yeah. See here. Now that's quality sugar, sir.
That's quality high blood pressure.
Wow. Well, who wants to try it first? Any takers?
Y'all the one that's on the video and y'all try it.
Oh. Guys, I'm about to taste it. It's really hot.
Take a bite.
Mmm. It tastes really good. Shout out to her for helping us. This is really good. Oh.
Is it?
Good, huh?
This is like fried pancakes.
I turned it off.
I know.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Well, guys, we put the popsicles in the freezer. Coffee. I think that's my Lexington Market bubble gum and egg custard. But guys, this is really good. We're gonna enjoy this. I hope you've enjoyed.
Loser. You don't get any. You don't get any of this.
Flipper. Oh God. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been Random Crocodile, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Oh yeah, well, and use code Dummy Goofy in the item shop. I just
Definitely
made
don't
that up.
use that. Okay.
It was a joke.
Bye.